Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Confidence in English. I'm Anna, here with my good friend, Tom.
Hello, Anna. Hello, everyone. It's a beautiful day, and we're so glad you're tuning in.
We have a lovely topic for you today. We are going to look outside our windows and talk about the world around us. Specifically, we're going to learn how to talk about the season of autumn.
That's right. In some toms of the world, like the UK, people call this season autumn. In other places, like the United States, people call it fall. Both are correct. It's the beautiful season of change between summer and winter.
This is a longer lesson today because there are so many wonderful things to describe. By the end, you'll be able to talk about the weather, the clothes you wear, and the fun activities you can do during this cozy time of year.
Basic autumn weather and nature. So, let's start with the most obvious change, the weather. In autumn, the weather gets cool, or you could say it gets chilly.
Cool and chilly. These words mean it's not hot like summer, but it's also not very cold like winter. It's that perfect in-between temperature. You can say, "It's a cool day today."
And what happens to the trees, Anna?
This is the most beautiful, Tom. The leaves on the trees change color. They turn beautiful shades of red, yellow, orange, and brown.
That's right. You can look at a tree and say, the leaves are so colorful. And because this season is also called fall, it's when the leaves fall from the trees.
And isn't it wonderful to be able to describe the world around you in English? That's what learning a language is all about. If you want to continue discovering how to talk about all the different toms of life in English, from seasons to celebrations, make sure you are subscribed to our channel. It's the best way to support our lessons and to ensure you get notified every time we release a new one.
What to wear in autumn? Okay, because the weather is getting cooler, our clothes change too. This is when we stop wearing t-shirts and start wearing warmer things.
Exactly. In autumn, I love to wear a cozy sweater. In the UK, they might also call this a jumper. It's a warm, knitted shirt.
A sweater is my favorite thing to wear in the fall. If it's a little bit windy or rainy, you might also need a jacket. A jacket is a light coat.
And to keep extra warm, especially in late autumn, you might wear a scarf around your neck or a beanie on your head.
Those are great vocabulary words. So you can say, today is cool, so I will wear my new sweater and a scarf. Fun autumn activities and food.
Autumn is full of fun and cozy activities. Tom, what is something you love to do in the fall?
I love to go for a walk in the park to see all the colorful leaves. After a long walk, it's nice to go to a cafe and drink a hot chocolate.
Oh, drinking hot chocolate is the best. I also enjoy some special autumn foods. Many people like to bake an apple pie. The smell of apples and cinnamon is just perfect for this season.
It really is. In North America, a very popular activity is to visit a pumpkin patch. That's a big field where pumpkins grow, and you can pick your own pumpkin. It's a lot of fun.
Let's role play. Let's imagine we are making plans for an autumn weekend. This will use all the vocabulary we've learned. I'll start. Hey, Tom. The weather forecast for Saturday is beautiful. It's going to be cool and sunny.
Oh, perfect autumn weather. I'd love to do something outside.
Me too. Would you like to go for a walk in the big park to see the leaves?
That's a great idea. I'll wear my new sweater. What time should we meet?
Let's meet around 2 p.m. After our walk, we could find a nice cafe and get a hot chocolate.
That sounds like a perfect autumn day. I'm looking forward to it. Final lesson review.
That was a great conversation. Let's do a quick review of all the wonderful autumn words we learned today.
First, the season itself. Autumn or fall.
The weather and nature. Cool or chilly. Leaves, change color, and fall.
The clothes we wear. Sweater or jumper. Jacket
scarf, and beanie.
And the fun activities and food. Go for a walk, drink a hot chocolate, bake an apple pie, visit a pumpkin patch.
You now have so many new words to describe this beautiful season. We encourage you to look outside and try to make a sentence about what you see.
Thank you so much for learning with us today on Confidence in English. We hope you have a wonderful and cozy autumn day.
You are learning so much, and we are excited to see you continue on your journey. For your next lesson, click right here to watch the next video.
We'll see you in the next one. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye, everyone.
Goodbye!